What is up, guys? Mike from the Moto Circus here, and in today's video we're going to be swapping out the air filter on the 2023 Trail 125. What I've got to replace it is this here DNA high performance filter, and this thing is massive. This thing is going to do pretty good. The air filter in there is pretty damn small compared to this, especially the amount of airflow this is going to be able to handle. So it'll help me out with that exhaust and the fuel injector, and we'll see if we get some more power after that. I think I should have done this in the first place, but oh well, better late than never. Almost impossible to film this, but took the first little screw out here, and then here at the top you're gonna see these two little plastic pieces up at the top, and what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to take like maybe a small Allen key or something and just press that spot. Press it down until the shaft comes all the way down, and then you'll be able to pull the thing out. Okay, now that I got that taken off, down here, right up in here, it's kind of held up, so be very careful. I haven't got mine off yet, but I'm gonna try to gently wiggle it off. Use both hands while I try to do this. All right, let's see if I can do this without breaking this. I don't know how it's supposed to go. Just pop it out carefully. That thing off. Just be super careful, because I did break like one of these tabs on the other side trying to mess with the exhaust mounting bracket. So all right, there's our air box. Let's get to it. All right, for this part you're gonna need a number 2 Phillips. You're gonna have to go ahead and unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws, and then we'll have access to our air box. Screws. Where's the other plastic thing? That's all the stuff we had to take out. I had to use the most basic Allen key. I'm not sure on the size. Basic number 2 screwdriver. And then we have access. All right, let's see what we got here. So we got this little air box in here. Pop that guy out. Look at the difference of that filter size. Isn't that ridiculous? What the hell? Gonna get some serious breathing performance through this guy right here. This filter. Crazy difference. Look at that. Let's pop this new one up in here. Seated nicely in the back, in the front, all around the edges. Just make sure it's not doing nothing crazy. Popping these screws back in. That's it. That's all she wrote for that one. Now I guess we're gonna put the lid back on. There we go. That lines up better. So first thing I'm gonna do is run this thing. Screw it back in there. So we got the first piece in. Now we're gonna run our little nail piece in there. Right out from the top. I don't know if you can see that, but press it in. And that's it. That ain't going nowhere. Well, that's pretty good. I think it's solid. All right, I think she's ready to start up. Let's see. Pretty quick and easy. Pain this little performance air filter upgrade. Definitely recommend it, even though I haven't even started the damn thing. I would definitely recommend changing this guy out. Kind of a quick rundown on the fuel injector update that I did in the last video. I just want to point out that, you know, I noticed a little bit of power, just a little. I just didn't have to give as much gas to get to that power level, you know, but the gas mileage is like significantly worse. Like, I'm getting my last fuel light and it starts to flash probably at like 75, 80 miles. What are you guys getting for your MPGs? That's all for today's video, guys. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you got any questions or maybe some suggestions or maybe some input that you might feel is necessary. But we'll catch y'all on the flip. Take it easy.